Hello my dear students and welcome back to my class. This is Shivani. Students, this video is for class 7th. As you know that we have already completed the lesson and now we have to do the question answers. So before we do the question answer, there is one exercise that is fill in the blanks. Let me just discuss with you and then we will move forward to the question answer. Fill in the blanks. Dash and Dash were Rusty's best friend. Okay, so who were Rusty's best friend? What were their name? It's Somi and Anil were Rusty's best friends. Okay. Second, Anil brought a bed sheet in order to. Why did Anil bring the bed sheet? Yes, do you remember that incident where Anil bought the bed sheet from his mother's laundry to catch the fish? Okay, so Anil brought a bed sheet in order to catch the fish. Sometimes the boys would go to the pool at night too. Okay, so you can see this in the third page. It is written that they sometimes when they got chance to escape from house, they went to the pool to bath in the moonlight. Okay, to bath in the moonlight. The Dash brought the boys close to each other. What was the reason why they were so much, they were so close with each other? Because of the pool. So the pool brought the boys close to each other. Anil and Somi Dash keep their promise. Did Anil and Somi keep their promise? No. Who kept the promise? Only Rusty. So Anil and Somi did not keep their promise. The boys would wrestle and go for Dash in the pool. It is written there that what were the skills that they used to do at the pool? They used to do buffalo rides. They used to do wrestling. Okay, so it's buffalo ride. The boys would wrestle and go for buffalo ride in the pool. So students, let's start today's video and let's do the question answer of this lesson. Students, so let's start the question answer of the lesson Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. Question number 1 is answer these question with reference to context. This is the first question. Here is some statements are given and according to those statements we have to give our answer. Let's see the statement first. It was a schoolboy's pledge and made it deadly earnest. As boys, we usually mean the things we say, and so we shook hands on and dived back into water. So students, this was the starting line. Let me just show you. See, here this line is, it was a school's, this line. Okay, so this was in very starting of this lesson. Who said this? It was Rusty who said this. Okay. What was the pledge? Question number 1. What was the pledge? The pledge was that no matter where they were or what they were doing, they would meet at pool after 10 years. So this was the pledge. Question number 2. Who took the pledge? The pledge was taken by whom? Anil, Somi and Rusty took the pledge. Question number 3. Where were they when they took the pledge? Answer. They were near the pool when they took the pledge. Okay, let's see the second statement. But instead of turning homewards, I pushed my way through the leaves and brambles that grew across the forest path. So, these lines are again said by Rusty because he was the narrator. And he said these lines, when he was exploring the forest, when he found that pool, at that time he said these lines. Question number 1. Who is I in these lines? Obviously our narrator is the I. So I is Rusty in these lines. Question number 2. Why should the speaker have turned back homewards? Because we know that it was going to rain. The speaker should have turned back homewards as it was going to rain. See the third one. Why did the speaker push his way through the leaves and brambles? Okay, now this is some important question, because I told you that he had an option to go back to his home, but instead of going back, what he did, he just went on his way. He kept walking in the forest. So answer is, he pushed his way through leaves and brambles as he had heard the murmur of water. Murmur, soft sound. He wanted to see the water and touch it. He was very excited about it. Okay, come to the next statement. I waited in the ravine for 2 or 3 hours, but no one came. I suppose it was foolish of me to expect anyone. So these lines again said by Rusty. Rusty said it in the end of the lesson when he was waiting at the pool ravine, but nobody came. Who waited in the ravine? Very obvious answer. Rusty waited in the ravine. You see, the whole story is just going around Rusty. He is the central of this story. For whom was he waiting at ravine? Rusty was waiting for his friends Somi and Anil at the ravine. Question number 3. Why does the speaker say, I suppose it was foolish of me to expect anyone? He said that because despite waiting for a long time, they did not come. Who is they here? They is Rusty and they is Anil and Somi. Okay. Now see the long question answers. Answer these questions. How did Rusty discover the pool? So let me just show you the textbook. See. Read this paragraph again. The pool had been discovered by me a few months earlier. I remembered that it was going to rain. I could see the rain moving across the foothills and I could smell it in the breeze. But instead of turning homewards, I pushed my way through the leaves and brambles that grew across the forest path. I had heard the murmur of water at the bottom of the hill and I wanted to see it and touch it. So this is how he found the pool. Okay, so one day Rusty saw the rain moving across the foothills and he could even smell the breeze. But instead of turning homewards, he pushed his way through leaves and brambles. He could hear the murmur of water at the bottom of the hills. He got excited and went further, and that's how he found the pool. Okay, so bramble means wild bushes. Come to the next question. What did the 3 boys promise each other? What did the boys not realize when they made that promise? Okay, we know the promise. The 3 boys were young and innocent when they took a pledge to meet at the pool after 10 years. So this was the promise, that they would meet after 10 years at the same place. They did not realize that time is an important factor and people change and move forward. They did not realize that they would not be able to keep up their promise of meeting at pool after 10 years. Okay, come to the next one. How did the pool help the boys to bond with each other? The pool helped the boys to bond with each other. There were many activities that they did together. They swam, caught fish, wrestled, and had buffalo rides together. All these activities made their bond stronger. Okay, so after the discovery of this pool, they used to spend most of their time at the pool, and this was the main reason why that pool has a very important role in their life. Question number 4. Describe the fun activities that Rusty enjoyed with his friends at the pool. Rusty had a lot of fun with his friends at the pool. Besides swimming, he and his friends caught fish at the pool. They also wrestled and rode a couple of buffaloes that came to drink in the water. Sometimes they would even go to the pool at night and bath by moonlight. Question number 5th. How does Rusty describe Somi? Now this is an easy question and I have also given you this question as homework. Rusty describes Somi as someone who was gentle in his ways. He had a sense of fun like Anil. He was a beautiful swimmer. He dived off the rocks and went under the water like a golden fish. This is how Rusty describes Somi in the lesson. Question number 6th. Why was Rusty disappointed? A very easy and a very obvious answer. Rusty was disappointed as he waited for his friends at the ravine, but no one came. He thought that both might have families and it was he who had not grown up. He was still expecting the same friendship and fun from them. Okay, so he was expecting his friends to come at the pool, but when he found that nobody came, he got disappointed. Question number 7th. In what state did Rusty find the stream when he went back to look for the pool? When he went back to look for the pool, he found everything changed. There was ravine, there was bed of shingle, but there was no water. See the answer. When Rusty went back to the pool, he could not find the pool. It was actually not a pool. It was in a very changed manner. He did find the ravine and the bed of shingles, but there was no water. The stream had changed its course. It's a stream, okay? The stream had changed its course. See question number 8 and the last question. According to Rusty, what had prevented his friends from keeping their promise? Means, according to Rusty, what could be the reason why his friends did not come? Rusty thought that his friends were busy with their career and family. It should be families actually, okay? So write it, families. Rusty thought that his friends were busy with their career and families. It was only he who was without family and had bothered to go and wait for them at the pool. Means he thought that it must be their career and their families because of whom he couldn't come at the pool. So students, your homework for today is you just have to write down these question answers and word meanings in your fair copies. You have to write all the word meanings that I have given you during the explanation. Okay? So this was it about today. Let's meet up in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, take care, stay safe.